Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Amazon Echo Show for the first time. And to do this, here we have the screen. It's connected to the power, and the first thing we'll need to do is to pick the device language, and you can scroll through them like this. And yeah, I just...
Ciao, pronto per la configurazione?
Okay, English.
Hello,
please.
ready for setup.
So this device is kind of annoying for recording because, as you can hear, it makes the sound all the time. And next thing is to pick the Wi-Fi network that we're going to connect it with, and I'm going to go with this one. It seems it does support 5G networks, so you can go for that as well. Now we need to log into our Amazon account, and I'm going to do it off screen. Let's continue. You can read through conditions if you like. First things first, Alexa is designed to protect your privacy. Okay. And yeah, now we need to pick again the language that we're gonna use, and I'm gonna go with English United States. Let's match it. Confirm your time zone. I'm gonna go with Europe. Where is your Echo Show? Alexa can give you local weather, traffic, and more, and you can enter your address right here. I'm gonna skip it. Continue without choosing your address. Let's continue. Of course, you can do it if you like. Just choose where you live, and it will provide you with better information. Then we can keep our device organized, place your Echo Show in a group, and we can find which room it's placed in. And in this case, let's go for basement. Then we can give our device a different name. If you want, you can do it right here. I'm gonna continue with default name. Choose photo display. Your photo display will periodically change images within the category of your selection. And we can go for Amazon photos, seasonal, nature, travel, art, abstract shapes, and let's go for art. Continue. And there's some updates. If your device is not up to date, you will need to download them with download and install, and it will take about 10 minutes. So
Updating this device.
Just wait till it's finished and don't disconnect it from the power, as your device might break. So the update is finished, but we went back a few steps for some reason. Now we again need to pick our photo display, and we're gonna go again for the art. Then we can set up our profile, and I'm gonna do it later. If you're interested, check our video on how to do it. Then there's Echo Show, can help you with your monitor, help you monitor your home. And no, not now. You can enable it if you like. Now you need to place it so that it's stable, like so, and click on continue. And there's options to choose where to place it, on an island, against a wall, or in the corner. And I'm gonna just skip it. You can pick whichever one you like. Okay, it updated its range of motion. Now we're gonna save it. Click next, and everything is set. And we can finish the video right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.